So in this video, I'll show you how you can invite someone to your Discord server. This should be a quick tutorial. If it does help you out, please do leave a like and comment down below. So what you need to do is, first things first, you need to have made a Discord server. Now, when you first make the server, you'll probably have like a big invite button up here. But if for some reason you don't have an invite button, click on this arrow here pointing downwards, and here we can click on invite people. That's going to open up a new box. Now you can instantly invite all of your friends to the server. You can search for your friends here, or you can take this invite link and you can click copy. That's going to then copy this link to your clipboard. So this is going to be a unique link to invite people to your server. Now you need to understand that if you don't change any settings, this link will expire in a day. So it's only going to be useful for invites for 1 day. If you want this link to never expire, click on edit invite link and then you can choose never. This link will obviously then never expire and you can keep inviting people through this link. You can also set a limit to how many people you want to join using this link. So if I want 10 people to join from this link, I can click 10 users and just generate a new link. And then we can then copy this. This new link will now never expire from a time frame. It will only expire after 10 people join.